is this one. I have it's pretty good handle. This one. It has 3 bullets. It shoots really good with elite blue bullets. So you make a pull it down here, and then when you shoot, you press the trigger, and that pop goes like that, and this goes down at the same time. As you can see, it's mostly white. Yeah.